What's up everybody, Sami here. This is the Redmi Pad 5 Pro. Alright, that's the Redmi 5 Pro. Wow, thank you. Yeah, later we check out the Xiaomi S1 Pro, right? Why is so S1? I don't know. This is the packaging for the Mi Pad 5 Pro, and this is the packaging for the keyboard. Let's unbox it. Alright, in this video, it's just gonna be unboxed because Xiaomi released this like very late here in China, and the shop is about to close like at 10, and now it's okay. It's already 10 anyway. I just unbox it. Okay. All right. So open the box. We have. Sorry about that. Open the box. We have this the kind of plastic thing to wrap that Mi Pad 5 Pro, and then under it we have the manual, you know, the usual stuff here. Okay, nothing. I thought it comes with a pen or something. And then the charger is 67 watts, and this is the Type C, and we have nothing. What? Okay, we have nothing. Okay, that's that's the unboxing for the Mi Pad 5 Pro. Okay, but this is plastic. You really cannot like. Okay. I broke it. I think they were asking me to pay for it anyway. That's the unboxing for the Mi Pad 5 Pro. Here a little bit the like manual illustration. I said the keyboard is made of PU plus PC and this glass fiber. Okay, that's it. That's the that's keyboard. It's already there. Okay, we just check out the design first. So you can just press like this, and also like this. But I saw, okay, it's just like this. Okay, there's no way like you just put it like this. All right, and this is the pen. For the specific one, I will just do a detailed one later. Okay, tomorrow. Like I said, time is really tight. Okay. Wow, seems very rigid. And not like those cheap keyboards that's wobbling here or there. It's just very rigid. But I think it's just like tap on a desk and your finger, I guess, will be tired sometime. Okay. And this, this is their, let me check their specs. Mi Pad 5 Pro, 6 plus 8, 2 gigs of storage. And this, I will do a very detailed one later tomorrow, right? So today is just like this. That's it. All right. Stay tuned. Now let's move to the S1 Pro.